Video is all about my shoe cleaning kit that I've made up, because I constantly get asked, what is a good polish. There's heaps of good polishes out there, and I suppose the best thing to get a good result out of your shoe is to use a three-step method. And I've done that in a few of my YouTube videos, and I'll put the link down there below. But essentially what I've done is I've gone through all the steps, and I've created a kit now that utilises what I consider to be the best polishes and good value for your money. So the kit is called the Ultimate Black Shoe Cleaning Kit. Within it, it has a polish cloth, it has a brush for doing the welt of the boot, and then you move on to the first of the three-step method is by using a leather balm. Okay, let that permeate into the boot. We then move on to the second step, which is the luster cream. Once again, let that permeate into the boot, then buff it off. And then we place on the final polish, which is a shoe wax polish. Place that over the top and then buff it off. The application is done with the polish cloth provided within the kit, and the buff off is done with the horsehair brush also provided in the kit. What I've done also is to bring out a higher shine is once we've done the final step of polish with the wax polish, then we use the stocking polish cloth to go over the particular area, and that will add more gloss to the surface of the boot or shoe. So what I've done is combined all of those particular products within one kit. You don't have to mess around and try and find out which goes with which, and I've just taken all the guesswork out of it. A series of videos there, you can work your way through it, and I've also done a particular video up on those particular products as well. So there you have it. Follow the link below to see where you can actually purchase one of these. They're limited in stock at the moment. We've only just introduced it to the market. I want to see what the take is on that, but feel free to check out the videos. All the product and content that I have on YouTube is free, and check out the Ultimate Black Shoe Cleaning Kit, new from Ash Applications. Thanks very much for your time. Give it at least an hour. Shoe wax polish. there you have it, the Ash Applications Ultimate Black Shoe Cleaning Kit. Great polishes, terrific price, in a convenient pack. Make sure you check it out. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching.